Alright guys, that toolbox I was telling you about, I got halfway done restoring it. I got the legs, original color, bottom. It's kind of messy, I've been using it for a while. Decided not to do the top ran out of paint, didn't really have enough time. Looks horrible, but it is Matco sniper fuel. I'll just tell you how I have it laid out. It's kind of rough. I kind of put it together a little bit, and here it had a place for screwdrivers. Once you opened it, when you closed it, you couldn't have your sockets there. So I went angle grinder, cut that off nice and flush. And it's really hard to restore this because it's grease. Everything on here has been sitting for a while, is in use a lot. So I'd rather not go through all of that when it worked fine. So starting from left, I have my sockets 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch. You've pretty much seen all these tools before. The main difference is I have more sockets, deep walls, like I didn't have before. Metrics, I have metric hex key sockets, 3/8. Spark plug sockets, deep walls, specialty sockets like snap-on, 1/4 inch universals, snap-on, 1/4 inch, 3/8. 10 mil, some extra stuff for my drill and whatnot. 2 spark plugs I couldn't get to last time when I fixed up on my truck. I had to bring it to my grandpa's shop and need a special tool to move the intake manifold. Hex key sets, drill bits on the bottom there. 2 screwdrivers, all you really need. Phillips, flathead, little flashlight, my deep wall metric, standard, and shallows. A snap-on pick I found at the junkyard. Snap-on. Oh, I kind of see it. Got a marker. Got my Falcon tire pressure gauge. My magnets, telescoping, 1/4 inch socket. Nut driver, and here I have all my extensions. I got a snap-on 7 inch, oh my god, focus. Too much glare. Whatever I have. 13 mil it should be over here on a ghetto power belt. I have another snap-on 1/4 inch right there. Craftsman extensions. My Pittsburgh extendable 1/4 inch 3/8 ratchet, 72 tooth. I highly recommend this. It's like $12 and I've used it for years. In the right, standard, left, metrics, electrical, adjustable. Bottom, just a catch-all. That's basically it. Some of my other stuff are in here. Spare tools, Torx, 1/2 inch cutoff disc, extra, what are they called? You know what those are. Battery changers, extra wrenches, I was at the hospital. Screwdrivers, socket set, bit set, sandpaper under it, pipe wrench, auto adjusting wrenches, torque wrench. Here, just have catch-all again. Magnetic parts dish. I have audio, electrical, wood, air tools, power drills. On the bottom, parts from my truck. So that's it. I hope you guys liked. Set it up real quick. Probably make a better one. But Captain USA 5 signing off. Comment, rate, subscribe.